In third grade, the students are learning different strategies to help them solve subtraction problems. One strategy they can use is using base 10 pieces to help them solve subtraction problems. And they can do that with regrouping and without regrouping. So the first thing that they're going to do is they make their larger number, and they make it with a base 10, with base 10 blocks. So they have 10, 20, 30, 40, and 41, and 42. So they can see their 10s and they can see their 1s. And then they need to subtract 34. They have enough 10s to subtract. They can see that they have 3 10s, but they also, when they have to subtract 4 1s, they can see that they do not have 4 1s. They have to have 2. Therefore, they're going to have to regroup. So they're going to take a 10 and they're going to regroup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The number is still 42, and if the kids can count it to show them that the amount has not changed, but they just needed to regroup in order to subtract. So now they can start with their 1s, and they can subtract 4 1s from, because they're subtracting 34. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now they can subtract their 3 10s. 10, 20, and 30. Their differences 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 42, take away 34 is 8. This may seem like a complicated way to subtract 34 from 42, but this is all about building a conceptual understanding and understanding what happens to digits when you subtract and when you need to regroup. So here's another problem. Kids can use base 10 blocks to show the value of the digits. So if they have 122, they can make that with the blocks, or they can draw the blocks. 100, and 10, 20, and 1, 2 1s. Make that darker. And they're going to subtract 84. They'll start with their 1s. They do not have enough 1s here. They only have 2 1s. So they are going to regroup the 10. So they can cross out a 10, and then they can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So they have enough 1s, but now they need to subtract 8 10s. They only have 1 10 here, so they can't subtract it. So they're going to cross out 100, and they're going to regroup the 10 10s that are in 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So now they can subtract 80 and they can subtract 4. So they're going to start with their 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4 from the 84, and then they're going to cross out 8 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. They're going to look to see what they have left over for their difference. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1s. 8 1s, and then they have 1, 10, 20, and 30 left over. So their difference is 38.